Welcome to Jntu Technologies. In the present video, we will learn how to interface DHT11 sensor with the Nodemcu to print the digital humidity and temperature sensor values on this LCD. So we will learn how to interface the LCD as well as DHT sensor with the given Nodemcu. So open your manual, which is mentioned as experiment number 2, read humidity and temperature values using DHT sensor and display the readings. So for this, the circuit diagram and the connections are mentioned here, and we have drawn the circuit diagram. Basically here you have a DHT sensor which is interfaced with its 3 pins, VCC, ground and signal. VCC goes to 3.3 directly of Nodemcu, and signal goes to the D3 pin of Nodemcu, and the ground pin goes to the ground pin of the Nodemcu. Similarly, we have the I2C LCD which is connected to SDA and SCL pins, which are D1 and D2 on Nodemcu, and VCC ground. LCD operates on 5 volts, so VCC is directly given to V in pin. So on this Nodemcu, V in is 5 volts, it is directly powered by the USB, and ground is ground. So this LCD actually runs on 5 volts, but I2C bus will run on 3.3 volt only, with SDA and SCL connected to D1 and D2 respectively. So after making the connections on the board, what you have to do is, see, there are 4 pins mentioned over here: relay, serial clock, I2C, serial data, etc. 3 pins actually. So don't disturb them, just leave them as they are, because these pins are not multiplexed. We are not using them for any other purpose. While this DHT11 pin, that is the D3, you can see on D3 we are using it both for SPI communication with RFID as well as for DHT communication. So remove the plug here, jumper cap, and put it on the top side, that is it connects to D11 like this. So cap should be on the top side. Now after this, you just upload the code, you open the code and upload. So we have the codes provided to you. So if you go to your manual, there you will find prog 2 DHT and LCD. So just open it, you will find DHT Nodemcu LCD file. Just double click on it and open it. So this sketch will open in the Arduino IDE. The sketch opens like this. Here the 2 things mentioned here. You see DHT sensor library, HTTPS, some link is given. Similarly, Adafruit Unified Sensor Library, some other link is given. Just you click on these links, they will directly take you to 2 web pages. And there you can download the zip files of this library, zip files of these 2 libraries. Once after you download them, you can actually install. Let me show you one example. I'll show you DHT sensor library. When I click on the link, it will take me to the GitHub page, and here there is code. Just click on this and you have download zip option is there. So just click on this download zip. So this will simply download the so-called file DHT sensor library master, and similarly the other library also click on and download. Now come back to the Arduino page and go to sketch, include library, and then add zip library. Open this. So when you click on this, it will take you to the path. Actually my file is in my E drive, new downloads. Sorry. So this is my path, and here I found DHT sensor library master. So select on this and click open. It will just say that the library has been added to your library menu. So this is successfully added. I have already added them earlier, but just for confirmation I am saying you this. Similarly, you go to the other one, GitHub, the second one, and install in the same way. After you successfully install, just go to tools, select the board, Nodemcu, and select on the COM5. Of course, in my case it's 5, whatever number that comes up for you, just select on it and then click upload. Now it is uploading. It takes few more minutes. Now almost done. And then see, initially you won't get anything. Sometimes it is printing none, not a number, not a number. So only with DHT sensor with Nodemcu, this is the problem. What you have to do is just take away the USB cable once and plug it back. From now onwards it will show the correct readings. You can see 33.8 and 74 now it is showing. This is the reading of the sensor. So please make sure that when you are using this DHT with Nodemcu, after successful upload, just remove the cable and then plug it back. Then only it will show you the readings, otherwise it will not. Thank you.